Hello and welcome to today's coffee break. My name is Patrick Hanberg and I'd like to invite you to grab a cup of coffee or even an ice cream and join me for this break. Today I would like to introduce to you the support for manual alignment features in our OptiCentric 9 software. Here we are at our OptiCentric 101, the worldwide standard for lens centration testing. And I want to show you today is how does the software help us in aligning a workpiece to the instrument spindle axis. This is something that is done hundreds of times a day in optics manufacturing. And here I will illustrate this manual alignment process for the alignment of a lens that sits on a vacuum chuck. For example, this alignment is required when you want to test or align centration error with respect to the lens outer diameter. We have this single lens here on this pre-centered chuck and use a dial indicator. I could also use an optical distance sensor to read the runout of the gauge when the lens rotates. And I can simply do this by hand, so I let the air bearing spin. And the software directly displays the live values of the indicator. In the workshop, the parameter you are mainly interested in is the center between the maximum and minimum value of this indicator. So you need to do some calculation to know where to level to center the lens barrel. In order to make sure that you really catch the data of a full revolution, we can also engage the motor drive and let the software control this rotation. But before, I will switch on the automatic scaling, which will make it a bit more convenient for the operator. I will now start the rotation. And the OptiCentric 9 software automatically rescales the gauge range and centers between maximum and minimum value around the new zero position. Now, if you want to use this reading for the alignment of the housing, you can automatically rotate the sample to one of these extreme values. I will do this now. And starting from here, you can tap the sample carefully to the rotation center. This was a brief overview on the new possibilities for manual alignment of a workpiece on the OptiCentric 101's air-bearing axis. We looked at the benefits of the optional motorized rotation, the gauge scaling that saves you from calculating your offset, and automated rotation to the extreme value. If you would like to get more information, please contact us and see you soon in the next coffee break. Thank you very much.